Good morning and welcome to WPNN. My name is Camilla.
And my name is Chloe. It's a superb day to be a Panther.
Seniors, prom season is here.
Tickets will be on sale starting this coming Monday, March 18th at all lunches for $50. If you want to bring someone else who does not attend a Heritage High School, please make sure to see Miss Farades in the front office for a permission form.
Please make sure you turn them back into her before buying a ticket.
If you want to run for prom king or queen, please make sure you attend the mandatory meeting today after school at 3:40 p.m. in the principal's conference room.
Also, seniors, the Powderpuff game will be on April 10th. We still need female juniors to join. There will be 2 flag football practices before the event.
Sign-ups will be $25 and that will include the Powderpuff shirt. You need to have your physical paperwork on file from this school year along with a return permission slip. Sign-ups start today and there are only 8 per lunch, so no need to skip class to sign up.
Please see Ms. Spittler if you have any concerns or questions.
Are you interested in designing the shirt for the game?
If so, share your design with Senora Bayless in this email. Any grade can participate in the designs.
The deadline for the shirt is this Friday, which is tomorrow, and the winner will receive a gift card.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!